Hello friends, it is that time once again, the time for mail. Very long mail. I feel like I need a mail time theme song, but you know, Blue's Clues already kind of has a monopoly on that. Anyway, back to mail. Yes, I just hit myself in the head. Brenda opened this side. This side. Y'all have been sending me a lot of stuff lately, and I just want you all to know that I appreciate each and everything. Find out together. Oh, stop. Please put on the enclosed t-shirt before going further. Okay. So the t-shirt does not quite fit me, but I will use it as a backdrop. This guy says, open first. Is this a lightsaber? Would you look at that, custom backdrop. Okay, now, yeah. Lightsaber! Open second. This is wrapped very well. I'm just gonna. This was a real lightsaber. Just use the lightsaber to open it. Tube. It has like plastic. The satisfying peel. I should read the instructions before I try to jam the shaft into the hole. Number 1, powering on and off. Awaken the saber. Awaken. Oh god, object permanence. Where did I put it? There it is. We're good. Crisis averted. How do I get it to stay? Set screws. Okay, I'm familiar with set screws. Same thing as fridge door handles. We're gonna make this about appliances. So you see this guy and this guy here. I haven't actually read the instructions up to that point. It's a thing I'm familiar with. So you got these two guys on the side, they go all the way through, and they are actually these little screws that will clamp onto this when you screw them in. Ooh, and it comes with replacement set screws. That's good in case they come out. They literally look like just like the end of a screw, like that. Fridge door handles, same thing. That's how a lot of them are attached. We're just gonna go up, and the other side. And now it's secure. That's smart with the set screws. Then you can disassemble this if part of it breaks, but it's still nice and secure. To awaken the saber, I need to hold the button. It is charged. Saber is awakened, and then... Ah! He's blue. Hold on. Now I'm evil. I've gone over to the dark side. This is a real lightsaber. This should really hurt. Why is it laughing at me? It didn't evil laugh. I tried to change the volume and it laughed really evilly. No! Okay, so my calendar has highlighter on it right now, and it is glowing in this light. It's acting like a black light. Like, look at this scrunchie. It is acting like a black light. Holy crap. It just keeps getting cooler. Also, as somebody who appreciates good lighting, this is kind of cool. I'm gonna use this for so much more than just lightsaber fights. Although I'm definitely gonna use it for that. I am gonna knock shit off my shelves. I need to go outside real bad. My neighbor is outside. So I'm gonna wait a minute. Oh yeah, by the way, I got coveralls for videos. So, coveralls and a lightsaber. This is very me. So, cool feature. It's in like standby mode right now, but it's still on. So what happens is because it's got motion sensors. It just like... So fun fact that y'all probably don't know about me is that for quite a few years I was into hula hooping, and a lot of hula hoop tricks can translate to staff. This is a glorified staff, so I can probably do some stuff. Fix your appliances. Yes. Don't touch the blade. It's definitely sturdy, I'll give it that. This is risky. Caught it. Technically caught it. Didn't catch it. Still fine. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Oh, it is incredibly humid outside today. I don't know what that was. I think I turned the sound off. Yeah, you could turn the sound off too, huh?
Low volume.
Low volume. Sound effects that you can change it to are the sound effects for different Star Wars characters. Just scrolling through the different noises, it plays sound bites from Star Wars.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
And then it changes the sound. Now it's very evil. Vader! Oh yeah, we gotta change the color for that. Yeah. Hold the button for 1 second and then tap it. 1,000. That was fun. So in conclusion, number 1, holy crap. Number 2, thank you so much. This is so rad. Thank you to Kyber Cave. Thank you to the person who didn't put their name on this letter, but it says, I got the boss's permission to send you a gift for an unboxing video. So I really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. If you guys want your very own super rad lightsaber, their website is kybercave.com. And apparently they also have a YouTube channel, which is Kyber Cave Productions. I am just like blown away by this. Also, just a quick housekeeping thing. This person did actually tell me in one of my lives in the comment section that they were going to send me a lightsaber. So we did have a little bit of a discussion about it, and since I just played around with this thing, I can safely say that it is really cool, and I don't mind mentioning the company name. But to anybody else thinking about sending me something to advertise their business, please talk to me about it first. This person did, because even though I'm not being paid to say this, this is essentially an ad for their business. I am fine with this particular occurrence, but that doesn't mean that you should send me things from your business expecting me to advertise for you without talking to me about it first. If that's something you have an interest in doing, shoot me an email and we can talk about it. And thank you so much to the person at Kyber Cave who sent this to me. It's really rad.